Okay, clap for him. Muhammad Amin Abubakar. Hello, Nadia.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about education. My name is Amin Abubakar Abdi. Good afternoon, my dear respected and friends and students. I will let you know all about the value of education and contribution of education to the whole all duties and activities about the challenges and the happiness and the happiness as better social the human being our teacher. Allah is proud to support who are the state is all the good quality of education from the state. They try the best of problem that is as learning everything and the child as success and removing all the criticism and the helps us to find beautiful reality in this world. Education is not only about the knowledge how to explain the way to be happy, the way to behave, happy, taking the challenges, learning the way to help learning the way to carry and learning the way to learn the way how to behave, other my dear friends, and way how to behave, my dear students, education like health, food, the rich nation as opposed to decision and it is makes us strong, especially and gives the loss of the confidence by making our personal and giving us knowledge through education is only way to remove bad habits, the prejudice, the quality, the information, and the social issue and the human goodness. Thank you.